I'm Steve, and this is my wife Lisa, and we got into a Galeon, what was it, 2 years ago? 2 years ago, we were actually here at Key West in another boat, and a much smaller boat than this, and Galeon was doing their rendezvous. So I had an opportunity to talk to several owners, see a lot of different size Galeons. There was probably a dozen or 15 of boats here. And all the owners were very gracious, let me walk onto their boats, and it just fit the bill. I had been looking to get into a bigger boat, but when I saw the Galeons, I knew exactly what I wanted. And one of the crazier things I did is I bought the boat about 3 days later without telling her. I'm still in a little bit of trouble for that, but I think she's grown to love it, and it's just been a great experience. So Aberdeen, we have a summer home in northern Wisconsin, and there's a bar, restaurant up there named the Aberdeen. And my favorite room in our house up north, we had it built to look like the inside of the Aberdeen. And so when we went to name the boat, Lisa said, well, your favorite room up north is called the Aberdeen. This will be your new favorite place down south. So hence the Aberdeen. We've been to this twice, the rendezvous to Key West twice. Where else have we?
You've been to Miami.
We've been to Miami. We've been, we've spent the night on the Hook. Actually, in the Little Shark River, halfway down to the Everglades, we came down with another couple on the Aberdeen, and just had a ball. So there's many more adventures to come. It handles great. We're learning. Every time we go out, we get a little better at it. She's become a great first mate. So yeah, the story continues.